Jai Srimanarayana. 18th sloka of 14th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Urdhvam gachanti satvasthaha madhye tishtanti rajasaha jaghanya gunavruttisthaha adho gachanti tamasaha. Om. Realize that Satvika Gunam helps you attain moksham. Rajasa Gunam gives you heavenly pleasures. Tamasa Gunam degrades you to animal birth or insentient birth. That is why keep on taking every step to increase Satvika Gunam in you. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall definitely start taking every step to increase Satvika Gunam in me. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadam mrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo bhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 279th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, when Krishna Paramatma jumped into the Yamuna river, where Kaliya, the serpent, is living, and when Krishna Paramatma was going here and there and making so many sounds, Ashrutya Tat Svasadana abhibhavam nirikshya chakshuhu sravaha samasarat. When Kaliya heard that sounds coming from one place, then Kaliya came to that place to see who is doing all that. When Kaliya came there and saw who is there, tam prekshaniya sukumara ghanavadatam srivatsapita vasanam smita sundarasyam. Kaliya is now seeing Krishna Paramatma, who is looking very beautiful and handsome, and who is very attractive. Krishna Paramatma is Sukumara, he is so delicate. Krishna Paramatma is glowing like such a with high brightness like cloud. Krishna Paramatma is wearing Srivatsam. Krishna Paramatma is wearing beautiful yellow garments. Krishna Paramatma's face is glowing with beautiful, cute smile, and that entire face is glowing. Now, Kaliya is looking at Krishna Paramatma, who is also Kridantam. Krishna Paramatma is enjoying in that pond. And apratibhayam, Krishna Paramatma, without having any kind of fear, he is enjoying there. Kaliya is looking at Krishna Paramatma. Kamala udara anghrim. Krishna Paramatma has such a beautiful divine lotus-like feet. Kaliya is looking at such beautiful, handsome, delicate, glowing, bright, smiley-faced Krishna Paramatma. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 14th chapter, 18th sloka. Urdhvam gachanti sattvasthaha. Madhye tishtanti rajasaha. Jaghanya gunavruttisthaha. Adho gachanti tamasaha. Urdhvam gachanti sattvasthaha. Madhye tishtanti rajasaha. Jaghanya gunavruttisthaha. Adho gachanti tamasaha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.